Want to make passive income selling resume templates in 2025? It's one of the easiest, lowest effort digital products to start. And stick around until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step and do it successfully. There's a resume gold rush all the time, year round, and it ain't going anywhere anytime soon. People are always going to need resumes. So let me tell you about my cousin Emily to get to start. She got laid off unexpectedly and needed a new job fast. She had to pay her bills. She pulled out her old resume. You know, the one with the Times New Roman font, no formatting, just walls of text. It looked like it belonged in a history museum. I told her to search on Etsy and she found a clean, modern template for only $9. She downloaded it, popped in her information into the template, and had a brand new resume in less than 20 minutes. She got two callbacks for jobs that she applied for that very same week. That's how powerful that resume was. Now, here's the kicker: the seller of that resume, that Etsy seller, guess what? She was not a professional designer. She used Canva to create one template, listed it on Etsy, and boom, it's been selling over and over again to people like Emily. That's the beauty of passive income with digital products. You build it once and it keeps earning for you even while you sleep. I'm sure you have probably heard that before, but it's true. Now, here's what people like Emily are looking for. Let's talk about it. So many people are job hunting all the time, as I suggested. This includes fresh graduates, career changers, freelancers, even retirees coming back into the workforce. And almost nobody wants to start their resume from scratch. So, what exactly are they looking for? They want templates that are editable and easy to customize. They want it to look professional but modern. And they also want these templates to be compatible with tools like Google Docs or Canva so that they can edit it themselves and make it their own. Oh, and they want something that won't get rejected by an ATS bot before a human being even reads it. Think about this. A well designed resume isn't just a document, it's a confidence boost. It's a game changer. If you can give someone a layout that helps them feel qualified, polished, and ready to apply for that job, they will absolutely pay you for that. By now, you must be wondering, how am I going to do all of this, Cheryl? I'm not a creative person. Well, guess what? You don't have to be. Creative Fabrica has thousands of already done products that you can download and edit for yourself and sell them on Etsy. I have even gone a step further to create an ebook giving you 100 profitable ideas that people are actually searching for. How to create the product, that's the resume, and how to get others to sell it for you. Both links are in the description. Go check it out. You will thank me later. Let's get specific now, though, about the kind of resume you should consider selling. Well, the most common format is single page resume, not the long one. It needs to be simple, clean, and get straight to the point. It's perfect for most industries. Then you have the creative resumes. Those are for artists, designers, marketers, people who want their personality to shine through the page of that resume. Use color when you're creating a unique layout, and even space for a portfolio. Now, if you're targeting more traditional jobs like finance or healthcare, you want a version that's more structured, conservative, and text heavy. That means less flair and but more clarity. Still modern and readable. Don't stop at just the resumes though. Add a matching cover letter. Throw in a reference sheet. Make it a bundle. Maybe even a quick guide titled Five Mistakes to Avoid on your resume. And you put them all together, and suddenly you have a $25 product instead of a $9 one. How about that? Okay, so where do you actually sell this stuff? Etsy is by far the easiest place to start. People go there expecting to buy beautiful downloads. You list your product once, you add a few screenshots or mock ups, and let Etsy bring the traffic for you. Creative Market is great too, especially if you have a more designed forward style. Yeah, there's a website called Creative Market. And if you want full control, platforms like Gumroad or Payhip let you build a little storefront where you keep more of your profit and collect customers' emails so you can follow up with more products. Here's a pro tip: make a demo video, show someone filling out the template in real time, or even yourself. People love seeing how easy it is to use. But now here's the fun part: you only need one or two good templates to start earning. Set it and forget it. Add in some automation like automatic downloads, email responses, even upsells. Suddenly you're making sales while watching Netflix or actually sleeping. And if you want to scale that resume template business, create more styles, appeal to different industries, turn your bestsellers into bundles, run a sale during graduation season or end of year job hunts. Promote it on Pinterest, LinkedIn, where a lot of business people are, TikTok, anywhere people are talking about careers and jobs. You don't need to be a resume coach or a design guru. Let me tell you that. You just need to solve a small problem for someone who needs it fast. Start simple, pick a niche, upload your first template, and let the internet do the rest. Drop your template idea in the comment section. I would love to hear that. And I will give you feedback as well. And if you want more digital product income tips like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around on this channel because there's a lot more I have to give. This is just the beginning. And remember to go grab my digital ebook bundle and sign up for Creative Fabrica today. You can even sell your products there. And if you want to level up your online income, yeah, go sign up. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next upcoming video. And guess what that is? Digital downloads teachers actually buy. Sell these in 2025. Yeah, teachers, you'll be surprised at these ideas. And if you really want to make money online with digital products, pick up my bundle in the description and go sign up with Creative Fabrica also from the link in the description. With these two resources, you will be armed with everything to make passive income online. Trust me, you will thank me later for this. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. And remember, it only takes one action for you to succeed. But you have to, I can give you all the information right here and the ideas, but you have to take action. See you soon.